Williams AV is making inclusion easier for all with the new real-time language translation system, Convey Video. Through the power of AI, Convey can translate audio from 109 languages and 153 dialects and create live translated captions to overlay on a video. An Ethernet connection is required for translation services and should be connected to the LAN port. The LAN port also allows for printing and saving images and third-party remote control. There are 5 USB 3.0 ports on Convey Video. Here you can plug in a USB thumb drive for transcribing and archiving of voice and text. Convey archiving abilities include the ability to capture any combo of audio input, video output with translation and captions, text captions and translated text, time coding of text captions and translated text, and court archiving, which includes an on-screen clock display. A wireless mouse is provided in each box for navigating the display screen. Convey Video accepts a USB microphone, a USB mixer output, or an HDMI audio input and uses the power of AI to instantly and continuously translate spoken word into the on-screen captions. Convey Video has the option to overlay open captions and translated text over a USB camera, an HDMI source, or a simple black background which can be keyed into other video systems. Williams AV is helping people hear, see, and engage.